Hi guys, welcome back, and today is test ride day for the GSXR. We've got a new fuel pump fitted, a new relay, and we're going to head over to a company called Raceline Motorcycles in Bury St Edmunds, and we're going to get some new tyres fitted as well. Obviously if the GSXR makes it there, fingers crossed, let's hope that she does. So I'll get my levers on, we'll get out there, and yeah, wish me luck. That felt like a good ride, to be fair. It was riding nice. I really think that the relay and the pump, I think the pump was faulty, but I think it was also making that relay intermittent, because obviously I've changed that. And if that, I reckon, if that fuel pump was, you know, getting hot or whatever, that might have been making that relay really, really hot. But hopefully that's the end of it. We will see when I go to start it again, though, that's for sure. Is that what that was?
Yeah. Stones on my guard. Yeah, pick something like hell. Horrible. You got loads.
I'll get out there and I'll pick them off.
Yeah, because apparently the guards are quite close.
Right, okay.
Then have red, that'd be fine. Then
So after leaving Raceline Motorcycles, I went off and done around 60 miles, just trying to wear the tyres in a bit. Came home, checked the footage on the GoPro, and I'd lost all of the footage. So yeah, got corrupted files, which is a bit of a shame because I've lost quite a lot of time there, but never mind, it is what it is. But yeah, we're back. It didn't break down. And I just want to say thanks for watching. If you did like it, give us a thumbs up, you know, leave a comment, whatever, and please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Cheers for watching, guys. See you later.